Tahiti, best islands in the world. Miles of shoreline, dozens of resorts, French cuisine to die for. Tahiti has all the makings of a honeymoon destination. But beach bums often pass over Tahiti's sands in favor of Bora Bora's ivory shores. Despite its idyllic reputation and accessibility, Tahiti is more of an off-the-beaten-path stop than a romantic getaway. However, that doesn't mean Tahiti deserves to be ignored. Leafy forests sit beside sandy shores, French crepes are served alongside Tahitian poisson cru, raw fish. If there ever was a place that embodies the beautiful duality of the French Polynesian archipelago, it's Tahiti. Here, the quirky, often chaotic atmosphere of the island's capital, Papeete, rubs elbows with uncorrupted natural beauty. In fact, Tahiti, the largest of French Polynesia's 118 islands, is often referred to as two separate islands despite them being joined by a tiny land bridge. Tahiti Nui is the larger, northern section where Papeete can be found. Tahiti Iti, the smaller half, is less accessible, although many visitors make the trek here for a taste of seclusion. Just note that spending a week on either part of Tahiti will cost you quite a chunk of change. But travelers agree that the warm waters, the lush jungles and the luxurious resorts are worth the splurge. Getting around Tahiti. The best way to get around Tahiti is by the affordable LE truck bus. If you're planning on doing a lot of traveling throughout the island, a rental car is another good option. A bike can be a transportation option, too. For journeys to other French Polynesian islands, you'll have to book passage on a boat or airplane. Most travelers arrive into FAAA International Airport, Papeete, which is a 3-mile jaunt from the capital city of Papeete. If a representative from your hotel isn't picking you up at Papeete, you can hop into a LE truck public bus or take a taxi to your destination. Best things to do in Tahiti. One of the best ways to spend a Tahitian vacation is to lie back with a tropical cocktail in hand and bask in the sunshine at your resort of choice. You can also swim, snorkel, surf and more at La Plage de Maui or Papua Beach. To find some Yungli wilderness, hop a ferry to Muria or explore the Vaipahi Gardens. But if you're itching for a different kind of adventure, you can hike to the gushing Fota'a waterfall or the bustling capital city of Papeete. Best times to visit Tahiti. The best time to visit Tahiti is between May and October. Although the temperatures are balmy year-round, Tahiti's winter season enjoys less humidity. Tahiti really only experiences two distinct seasons. Winter brings less rain and pleasant temperatures, while the summertime November through April can be unbearably hot and humid, not to mention rainy. But regardless of when you travel, you can expect hotel rates to be high.